Hi there, my name is Jacqueline Hernandez and I am from New Mexico. When Father's Day was approaching, I was a little bit lost as to what I could gift my husband to show my gratitude towards him for being an amazing father to our kids. I started scrolling through Pinterest to come up with a couple of ideas for gifts, and I ended up running into this advertisement for a crystal 3D. I clicked on the website, I started browsing through it, and I placed my order. Even though I was a little bit hesitant at first because in the past, I would just give him something simple, something fast, such as clothing, jewelry, shoes, things like that. Nothing very personalized, but I definitely wanted to change that this year. So when I received my crystal a couple days after I placed my purchase, I was very happy with the quality in the photo. And another feature that I love about this crystal is the fact that it has kind of curved edge, so it makes it look so much nicer. Along with this crystal, I did receive a keychain. This is the keychain that I received. This keychain has the same exact photo as this crystal, and it is a beautiful keychain. It lights up and it makes that photo stand out so much more, which is so beautiful. I am very happy that I did go through with this purchase. The expression that my husband had when he opened this crystal was priceless. I loved seeing his expression. It brought him to tears, and that is something that I had never seen from him. I had never seen him emotional over a gift that he received. So it was something very nice to witness, and I am very happy that I did receive this. I appreciate Crystal 3D for putting in the time and the effort to make this amazing gift that my husband loved, that I loved, and that we will forever cherish. So thank you so much, Crystal 3D. We appreciate you.